Zhongshan KOEN Electronics Company Limited, established in 2013, is professional in the field of car monitor, rear view mirror, car camera, car DVR, all related vehicle camera systems. Our company is located in Shenzhen, south of China, with convenient transportation for air and sea. Our clients are happy with our prompt reply for emails and messages, reliable ability to carry out new projects, strict quality control for products, on-time delivery for orders, responsible after service. We have obtained CE, RoHS certificates for our products. All of our products, we pay great attention to high and low temperature performance, stable quality for anti-shock. Each product undergoes 6 hours aging test. All cameras are fully injected for waterproof. Thanks to great efforts of our clients from all of the world, repeating orders are coming to us. Welcome to talk with us for our present products, new projects. OEM and ODM services are available. Our experienced staff are always available to discuss with you for your requirement for products. For example, package, logo printing, customized new tooling. Videos and photos will be sent to you to make sure that every product is according to your requests before shipment. After you receive the products, we will keep in close touch with you to get your feedback for the products. You will feel totally satisfied with your decision to have us as your long-term supplier and partner.